Hello friends, welcome to my new video, and this video is about the new electronic equipment I bought. So I'll just do the unboxing and you can go through. So let's start with the multimeter. Let's start with the multimeter. So what I bought is a Mastech multimeter. It is the MAS830 series. Like this is quite a good standard multimeter. I paid around 700 bucks for this. Also, I have mentioned the link, the Amazon buying link in the video. If you want to buy, you can buy from that link. So let's open it. It comes like this. So also, as you can see, it comes with this wrap. This is the multimeter. These are the probes. Probes are also of a very good quality. It comes with this protection also. This is the cover. Also comes with a user manual or instruction manual. And this is like a cover. You can also keep this, open this like this and keep it like this. So this is one equipment which is a Mastech multimeter. I'll just walk you through it. So this side is to measure the AC voltage, and this side is to measure the DC voltage. Here you can check the beep or the continuity. This is for ohms. So this had already the battery installed. You can go to 600 and you can see, you can measure your normal electrical voltage. This side you can measure you can keep it on 20 and you can measure your battery voltage like 12 volt or maybe more than 12 volt. You have to go on 200 and measure, and mostly AC is measured here. You can change it over here to check your continuity. So I'll just show you. Also very important, where to place the probes. This is common. This is common. The common will go here, and this red one will go here. So now you can see here the sound. This is to measure the continuity or to check the continuity. Also there is a backlight over here. You can put this button off. Also, if you want to hold this reading, you can press this button and it will hold that reading even if you remove the probes. This is for hold, this is for backlight. This is a very good economical multimeter at a very good price. If you want, you can buy it from my buying link. It is there in the description. It is quite sturdy, not like the fancy available multimeters for like 200-250 rupees. This is cost around 750 and it is a very good quality multimeter. This is one. You can, for more details, you can go through the instruction manual. All the details are mentioned. I bought this for my basic use, to check my battery voltages, to check the earthing and all. So also here the second item is a soldering iron. This costed me around 350 bucks. Also the link is in the description. I'm just opening here. So it comes like this. This is for the original, check the original hallmark. The wire is also quite long. It's quite a good soldering iron for all the basic use. See, The wire is more than 1 meter long, and it comes with this type of a tip. It is 25 watt, 240 volt, and it has a 3-pin socket. And the third item, this is a solder wire which can be used to solder any basic electronic item. Also, while soldering, you can use something called as flux to make the solder more hard, or if the solder is become dried. So that's it. We have reviewed and unboxed all 3 electronic items. I'm very sorry for the disturbance in the background. You can't help. It's a family house. So sorry for the disturbance. And if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.